What a nice day in Brookhaven to watch Alvin in the Chipmunks. Yeah, that right there is Theo. Theodore. So, yeah, it's just a nice day. And what the? Who's at my door right now? Like, can't you see I'm trying to watch Alvin and the Chipmunks ever? Who is that? What is that in his hand? Here, take this and just know every race you complete, your new car gets its speed upgraded. What is this guy talking about? Whatever, if I take the pills, he'll probably leave me alone. Or whatever this stuff is. Okay, bye. Yo, where's he going? Wait, where's he going? What? Okay, that's weird. Whatever, let me just take these anyways. Huh, that just tasted weird. What happened to me? Why did I turn into a minion? And what did he say about new car? Wait, I'm Stuart. What new car? Yo. Okay, let's do this. Why is this thing so slow? It's only 20 speed. Are we serious right now? Alright, let's get all the way over here. Alright. Driving the car. Alright. Almost there. Here we are. We'll complete the yellow track because we are a minion. And minions are yellow. So let's go. Let's turn on the lights. Alright, gotta complete this. And the speed gets upgraded. And that is very good. Alright, am I almost done? Because I feel like this is going to take ages. So let's just skip the path. Alright, let's skip this now. Pokemon Go notification. Go. This is officially taking so long. Okay, Just gotta keep following it. Alright, skip even more. Why taking so long? Garbage day. Okay, I don't care. I don't care if it's garbage day. Almost there. Come on. Come on. Almost there. Come on. So close. Nope, I'm not going up there. Skipping that. And yo, look how short I am. I can barely see anything. Alright. Almost there. And I think the next upgrade will be to play music because as you can see, every single song has a lock on it. So let's just skip that. Now we're almost there. Finally. Our speed got upgraded by 2. Let's go. What's the upgrade? Yo, what is happening? Why isn't it making me take out props? Whoa, this is cool. Wait, let's turn it on. That is so fire. Let's go. Alright, now let's complete blue track. I don't know. Light blue. Okay, I found the light blue. Let's go, let's go. Alright. Just gotta keep going. Alright, I see another light blue. Who was that scientist guy anyways? That's cool. Oh yeah, guys, by the way, tomorrow there will be a Minion update. It's called Minions and Monsters. Fun fact, that's a movie that will come out not tomorrow, but like I think like July 1st or June 1st. Don't really know. There's my house. There's blue. I wonder what the new update will be like. Bro, look at me in the car. Okay, go this way. I feel like we're almost there. We're right there. Yo, and that's what they're building. So I know they're gonna be building something like maybe a minion building. My speed got upgraded by 2. Let's go. Okay. It's making me take out props again. A flag? Yo, that's cool. Sick. Now let's complete orange. I don't know why, but I'm just gonna do it. And look how fast the car got. We got 60 speed. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Alright. Bro, I feel like we're almost there. Back to the finish line. Okay, we're definitely almost there. I see the finish line. We're so close. And boom. My speed just got upgraded by 2. Let's go. Now what's the next upgrade? Because it's making me take out the props again. Whoa, that's cool. Now that looks fire. We'll do blue. Where's blue? Oh, there we go. Why does the horn sound all like high pitch? What's that sound? Because I'm not crashing. Now this is very fast. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I crashed. Oh no, I crashed again. I do not want this car damaged. Oh no. I need to stop crashing. I see another blue arrow. Turn. And boom. Speed got upgraded by 2. Let's go. Alright. Making me take out props again. Whoa, there's a light. Now this is cool. Whoa, yo, look at this. That's so cool. Okay, we'll do green. What? This is crazy. You should do this in Brookhaven. Because this is so crazy. I think I'm gonna remove this when the lap is complete because this is a bit too crazy. All right. Turn. See the moon. And I do not need to turn on any lights. So I already got a lot of light. Finish line. Just gonna take off the lights right now. Never mind. Take off these. That is very crazy. Alright, what am I going to place down now? It's making me color them white. Color that one white. Okay. It's making me color it black. Wait, is it giving my car eyes? Now that's cool. By the way, you guys can do this if you want. You can give your car eyes. This is how. Just get the big pumpkin and the small one. Wait, let me lift it back up. Wait, there we go. Boom, my car has eyes. Yo, it upgraded my speed by 3. Now that's crazy. Alright, we're gonna follow the red path. Red path, yeah. Wait, just upgrade my drift thing so it doesn't get too out of control. Oh, I almost did not make it up that road thing. I don't know what to call it. And yo, the music is unlocked. Just play a song real quick. Now that's what I was looking for. This is fire. And I made it. Drift upgrade by 2. Speed upgraded by 2. Let's go. Okay, we'll do, we already did all of them, so we'll do yellow again. Now, where's the yellow? There it is. Oh no. Here, I'll just pause it. Okay. Hold on, let me turn on the light. Because it's kind of hard to see. Whoa. Yo. That's a lot fast. Okay. Now turn. Oh no, I crashed. It's gonna skip right there. Oh no. Well, I'm gonna end the video right here, right now, because I think I'm the fastest minion with the fastest car. So if you guys enjoyed this film, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe.